Hey startups, ready to grow? Let's see why Absolute ERP Solutions is your best choice. First up, Absolute ERP is incredibly affordable. Perfect for startups, it offers all the essential features without breaking the bank. As your business grows, Absolute ERP grows with you. It's designed to scale seamlessly, adding features as you expand. Worried about complicated software? Absolute ERP is super user-friendly, so your team can get started quickly and easily. From managing finances to keeping track of inventory, Absolute ERP has got it all. It's your one-stop shop for all business operations. Plus, it's cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere. Perfect for remote and flexible working environments. Choose Absolute ERP and watch your startup thrive. It's the partner you need for efficiency, growth, and success.